So let's go ahead with the saving the data in any of the other worksheet. For example, when we were talking about this particular workbook, then we were saving all of our data in the worksheet number 1, right? The sheet 1, which is default one. So what if you want to create a new worksheet and you want to save the data in that particular worksheet? So that is also possible. So let's create a worksheet first of all, and then we will start writing data in that particular worksheet. So alright, so syntax was right, but the location was not right. So let me put the right location. So here we will be creating another worksheet 2. So this is our first worksheet. By default, if you don't define anything, then it will consider the first or the any of the active worksheet you have available in your workbook. So that is being called in the first example. But in this particular example, what we have done, we have created another worksheet 2, and we named it as ABCD. And let's first of all create it, then we will go ahead and we will manipulate it. Yeah. So as we can see, ABCD has been created over here. So let's go ahead and let's mess with it. So if we don't define anything, then by default this particular new sheet will be created at the last. For example, if you already have 4 worksheets created in your workbook and you create a new worksheet, then what will happen, it will be added into your last I would say it will be added at the last in your existing workbook. So if you have sheet number 3 available with you, then the sheet number 4 will be created, and whatever the name you will provide here, it will be assigned to it. But what if you want to create the worksheet, this particular worksheet, as a first worksheet, and you want to bring it in the front? Then there's a simple way of doing it. You need to just simply put 0, then things will be good, and the worksheet with the name ABCD will be coming into the front. So let's run it and have a look on it. This works. Yeah, this does. Yes, this does. So let's have a look on it. Yeah, so ABCD is first and your other sheet is gone. Here it is, second one. So let's rename the sheet number 2 as well. Let me rename it ws.title demo. Let's run it. Since we have it open, it will require so let me open it again. Good enough. So the first one is ABCD and the other one is demo. The demo is the one where we wrote the data. The old name of it was sheet 1, but we manipulated it, so we are good with it. And what if you want to write the data in this particular sheet ABCD, the second sheet we created? So that is also simple. You just simply need to go to WS2 and what is the location where you want to write the data. For example, if you want to write the data in A2 location, then you need to put single quote and then we will write something like 43 over here, and let's run it and verify if this works. It should be, but still verify it. So let's see if 43 is there. Yeah, it is there. So both of our sheets have data in now, and thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.